Hello, family. This is PJ Family Friendly coming at you, saying that we are down here to Chincoteague, down here camping with my daughter. Just arrived, and they got a carnival down here tonight. And she got e-bikes over there. She has a picnic table round about here. And this is the tent. You can sleep in the tent. It's quite big. Granddaughter, grandkids, looking at Meech and Monica. We got some food here that my granddaughter's cooking. I don't know what it is. Let me check and see what she's doing. Ah. Does that look good or what? Wow. That looks good. That looks good. And she's got some honey for put on the food.
We got a golf cart.
Yeah. Got golf cart.
And a few cameras. Oh, an original spread. The fire.
They're just looking around, just checking things out.
Got strawberries growing.
Yeah, I see the bike.
I don't think this bike is electric.
They're e-bikes.
They are electric.
And this is Evie, her little poodle, which have a lot of fun eating
Wait, I'm gonna go say.
whatever she can find off the ground, but won't eat her own
There's your
food.
daughter standing at the window.
Yeah, my daughter.
Evie!
Your little granddaughter. Sophia, what you got to say? You like it down here? Did y'all see the pony swim?
Yes, it was so good. I
So-
should have made a video. I should have sent.
You should have made a video of it.
Yes.
Why?
So she can send it to you so you can put it on your YouTube.
Oh, okay.
That would actually be a
Well, you'll think about it next time, maybe next year, okay?
Okay.
Since you know what to do, what to expect.
No, you can come here. I'm not coming here. You come here.
That's Sophia. And this is Rara. And guess Catfish sitting in there.
Ew, what catfish?
That's Papa.
What do you call them, catfish?
Ask him. Ask him why they call him Catfish. It's a little cooler down here today. The wind is blowing. It's always chilly, it seems like, by the water. The temperature has really dropped down into the 80s. So, low 80s. But it's comfortable, it feels good. Not having all that heat that we had last week. It was a bit much. But, here's Evie. Look at Evie. Hi, Evie. I wish I could go round and round in a circle like that, they falling out.
And she's chasing her tail. She's so cute.
Yeah. Look at her, she's playing right good by herself. Look at her
Where's
run.
her ball?
Look at her run.
I don't know. It was on here. She's doing this. Oh, Cucaracha. I need to first find your ball.
Well,
What's your favorite toy?
she might not even want her ball.
She does. When you
My daughter planted flowers. She got her flowers here, which is beautiful.
Tomatoes.
She got tomatoes. She's growing some tomatoes. Let's see what kind of plant she got. She had her own garden down here. There's her tomatoes.
She thinks this is home. This is better than home.
This is better than home, Rai said.
No,
I guess so
no.
sometimes. Just get away and
She likes
live
it
life
more
and-
than the house. She
and
treats
enjoy.
it like it's her house.
yeah, she treats it like her house. That's a good thing that she treats it like her house. She's got 1, 2, 3, full e-bike. So that's the name of the camper. This is the bedroom. This big window here is the kitchen. No, this is the kitchen right here.
The
And
chicken's
this here is the
done
living
now.
room. This big one.
Look, I found a
And then
tiny
down on the
little
end
cucumber right
is
here.
the bathroom and bedroom. What is that?
A tiny cucumber.
That's a cucumber?
Yeah.
Well, how big is it? It's not very big. Don't pull it off. Show it to me again. Ah,
And then there's a really, really tiny
there's another one coming. Wow, I see one back here too, Raya. I see a cucumber back there. There's a big one back there. See
And we got a little
two. I see two big ones
house right now.
coming. They're not quite ready yet. And then she got
The
her
dog
wood.
can beatbox. I can like a bite like a dog.
And then there's a fire pit
I can want to block.
right here where they can do fires at night. And they got
And Evie can do her dancing
their own
dance.
turf right
Evie,
here.
do you dance, you dance.
They can walk barefooted.
You don't listen to that anymore.
So they really have it just like their home.
Up, do you dancey dance?
That's a good
Dancey
thing.
dance. Voila, voila.
Well, we're gonna have dinner down here tonight. Whatever they got on the grill smells like lamb. I think it smells like lamb, some chicken, and look like they may have some type of pork or beef. I'm not sure. But this is where she is, and we're enjoying ourselves. She loves camping. She loves it. So she has it fixed up. She got everything but the kitchen sink inside of that camper. But she don't have to go back home for anything. So that's good. She's cooking. And he just on his phone. And Eve and Sophia over there. Well, family, that was just a little view of what we do when we come down here. For the pony swim was this week, a couple of days ago. They swam back yesterday, and the girls were here, and they enjoyed it with my mom. And I'll be back another day just to talk and share about the relaxation, good of getting away from home, just kind of trying to find some happy moments in between, because everybody needs something, a place of refuge where you can go and hide for a few days. So if I wanted to come down here sometime, I could, and while they're working, since I'm retired now. But nevertheless, family, I'll say have a good weekend, and I'm signing off. And the sun is going down a little bit, so we're gonna just say see you laters, and we'll talk to you maybe tomorrow. Bye-bye.